Good morning. It is 12 minutes past 7 and I'm gonna go see a lake. We're staying in a beautiful place somewhere close to Amendola. I woke up and there's nobody around and I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna take a ride up to this lake that I saw on the map. It's beautiful up here. We've decided to stay for one more night in this place. They had a cancellation. We said, you know what, yeah, we'll book it. Thank you very much. They've got an amazing property, these guys. Looks really cool. They put a lot of work into it. It is a hidden away gem. This is a tiny road that goes sort of around this lake. I haven't found a good place to stop and actually see the lake, but I'm still searching for that. You know what, this place would be so cool to fly my drone in, but I've decided not to do it because it's just so nice and peaceful, and I'll show you. It's like one of those ecosystems that's, you know, full of birds and insects and stuff, especially the birds. I actually don't want to go buzzing around here. It's just so nice and quiet. I'm sorry I even came up by motorcycle up here, even though it's not, it is allowed up to here. I think I don't want to go further than that. This is as far as I'll go. I'll try to find another spot from another place, like from the main road. What the heck? Hey! Hey, buongiorno! C'è un fuoco là? There's a fire down there. Okay. These guys live near here. They'll figure it out. I think I just helped notify people of a potentially disastrous fire in San Cristoforo. You know, you can't let the morning get away from you without a good deed. You know me. Where is this lake? That's actually the lake down there. I got lost for a bit by following various small roads, but I'm not sorry. The views are amazing. I'm gonna track back to the lake by going that way and then coming back down. See if I can get a better view of it, but this has been really cool. I'm gonna continue down this path, which hopefully takes me back to the lake. Quite a beautiful path. Crazy views left and right. Look at that. Oh, and that's the lake down there. I'm glad Ada decided to stay at home. She wouldn't have enjoyed these gravel, loose type of roads. Hello, lake. Lago dei Ruffini, I want to say. I don't know if it's Ruffini or I'm just making it up. Oh wait, it says Lago di San Rufino. Okay, I don't know what Ruffinis are. Multiple Ruffinos. Ruffini is the plural for Rufino, I think. It's Lago di San Rufino. Very nice. Lago di San Rufino. That's where I'm at. Museo Cultura Contadina. It's for sale, this museum. But this is the lake. I got my drone up and now I'm headed along the lake, but on the other side. I was able to fly my drone away from the actual lake, not disturbing any of those guys. I like it. Cool. It's nice and quiet. Most people aren't up yet. It's, I think, 8 o'clock or so. I'm gonna head back. This is the bridge over the lake. Headed back. Oh! Just got hit by an insect, like a wet insect. Can't see anything. Wasn't my fault. I was on the right side of the road. It hit me. Just came in here for the view. Grab a picture of this. I like it. It's an abbey. Says to be a more complex type of sundial, but the sun's not hitting it right now, so those are the zodiac signs, right? He just puked the way cats do. How was it? Was it as pleasant for you as it was for me watching you? Okay. This is how I want to spend my Saturdays. Go to a panaderia to get some fresh bread, stop by a shop and get some black truffles, and in between ride these amazing roads. And then go back home and stuff my face. I'm having an amazing Saturday. I think that's Amandola right there. The center of Amandola, I think. Very nice looking. Brixton 500 Crossfire. Cool looking bike. There's been went into a very typical panaderia, like a bread shop. Got a panini, tuna, salmon, tomato, cream cheese panini, which was very good. It's got fish in it, tomato, some sort of cheese. Look. And now we're enjoying the ride back.